You've probably seen those little notification badges pop up on your phone reminding you to update your apps. But have you ever wondered why it is so important? App updates ensure that you get the latest feature and that the app runs smoothly and securely. Now, how do these new features actually get decided and shipped out? The product team, including product designers, decide what features to prioritize and ship out to users. This is usually a very tough decision, and sometimes they rely on decision matrix to help them prioritize the right feature. In today's video, we'll explore what a decision matrix is, why it matters, when to use a decision matrix, and how you can incorporate it into your design practice. Hello, my name is Grace Mary. I am a product designer with over 3+ years of relevant industry experience on a mission to help other UX designers and product designers grow and scale their impact in their careers. Kindly subscribe to this channel and sign up for my newsletter. I have linked it in the description and I've also pinned it in the comments to get valuable content like this. Many early career UI UX product designers find it difficult to understand industry jargons. Sounds like you? This is why I have put together this series that explains product design concepts from A to Z, which will help you understand them better and effectively use them in your communication to set the right expectation and demonstrate your value. So far, we've gone through letter A to C, and we are currently on letter D. Our word for today is, drumroll, decision matrix. So what exactly is a decision matrix? A decision matrix is a useful tool that product teams can utilize to evaluate different options against a set of criteria to make informed decisions. But why is it so important for product designers? As part of a cross-functional team, product designers may be faced with tough decisions or choices, like what features to prioritize, which design solutions to pursue, or which user needs to address first. Typically, the decision on feature prioritization falls to the product manager, but depending on the company and the nature of your role, you may have to make these decisions. That's where a decision matrix come in handy. Firstly, a design matrix helps us prioritize our design decisions based on objective criteria such as user impact, technical feasibility, and strategic alignment. This way, we can focus our efforts on the features or solution that will have the most significant impact on the user experience. Secondly, using a design matrix allows for structured collaboration and decision making within cross-functional teams, ensuring that all stakeholders' perspectives are considered and decisions are made collectively. Finally, using a clear and structured format for presenting our design decisions allows us to communicate them effectively to both our team members and stakeholders. By providing supporting evidence and rationale, we can build trust and gain buy-in for our design recommendations. Now that we understand why a decision matrix is important, let's talk about when to use it. A decision matrix is ideal for comparing similar options, logically weighing important factors, and narrowing down choices. For objective decisions which are comparable, it's an effective tool. However, it is not suitable for decisions involving incomparable options or those based on emotional factors. It is good to note that there are different types of decision matrices, but for this next step, we will focus on the weighted decision matrix. Let's break down the steps required to create a decision matrix. When creating a decision matrix, it's important to start with identifying the features you are choosing between. Each feature represents an alternative you are evaluating. Think about what matters most to your project or product, whether it's the user impact, the technical feasibility, the alignment with strategic goals, or the potential revenue impact. Set up a grid where you can compare each alternative against the identified consideration. Each alternative is listed as a row and each consideration is listed as a column. Assign a rating to each feature for each consideration using a scale like, say, 1 to 3 or 1 to 5, where higher numbers indicate better performance. Now assign weights to certain considerations based on their importance. This emphasizes critical factors in your decision-making process. Multiply each rating by its corresponding weight to calculate the weighted score for each consideration. This ensures that more critical factors have a greater impact on the overall decision. Finally, sum up the weighted score for each feature to determine its total score. This helps you identify the best alternative based on your project's need and priorities. Now let's try this with an example. Let's consider a scenario where a product team is deciding which new feature to prioritize for their mobile app. They have several options to choose from, including adding a chat feature, implementing push notifications, or improving the search functionality. They've identified 4 key factors for evaluating this feature, namely user impact, technical feasibility, alignment with strategic goals, and potential revenue impact. Next, they create the decision matrix. Horizontally add in the criteria and vertically add in the alternatives. Decide a rating for your alternative and fill it in. Ratings are based on the scale of 1 to 5, with 5 being the highest. Add weight. In this scenario, we have assigned 4 to user impact, 3 to technical feasibility, 2 to strategic alignment, and 1 to revenue impact. This is only an example. What you assign to yours should be dependent on your context. And finally, we are going to total it. Based on the total scores, the push notification is the best alternative to prioritize for implementation as it has the highest total score. Using a decision matrix helps product teams make smart and data-driven decisions about which features to prioritize. It also ensures that they are focusing their time and resources on the features that would have the biggest impact and help the company reach its goals. By incorporating the decision matrix into your process as a product designer, you can better understand the priorities of the product team and advocate for features that would improve the user experience. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more product design tips and insights. See you next time. Bye bye.